Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, replace batteries and power the TV on so the device responds. Once done, make sure the remote is within arm's reach or 3FT for reliable IR. You need the remote's code list or its code search button. This is essential because the remote must send the right signal pattern. Press and hold the setup or code search button until the indicator lights. This signals the remote is listening. Now move to selecting or cycling codes. We do that next. You now perform the core pairing. If you have a known code, enter it directly and test power and volume. If not, use auto search. Press the code search button and then cycle with CH plus or play. Move slowly so the TV can react. When the TV mutes, turns off, or shows a change, stop cycling and press OK or enter to lock that code. Make sure to test power, volume, and input. This confirms the essential functions are mapped correctly. You finish by verifying every function: power, volume, input, menu navigation. Press each control to confirm response. Once working, save the code into the remote's memory per the manual steps and jot down the code for future use. If a button fails, try rerunning the code search or enter alternate codes from the list. Troubleshoot by ensuring clear IR line of sight, replacing batteries, and removing obstructions. If needed, consult the brand-specific code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.